Hi, Cameron here. Now, I wanted to make this quick video. I thought it was important. It might take a couple of days to come out. We're on Saturday at the moment, but I wanted to talk to you about news and how it potentially affects the market. We normally get a lot of questions about what we think about certain news items, what we think about inflation. I was on a panel in London. What do I think about the debt ceiling? What do we think of what's happening with Israel and Iran? These are all very, very important points, and for sure, they are going to affect the market. But my answer is always this, and sometimes I think it's a little bit flippant, maybe a little bit simple, but I always like to look at what is happening with price after the news. We can have our opinion on the news, and I can give you an opinion of what I think, and we can all have our own opinions, but the most important thing to us as investors and traders is how is the market digesting this news and translating that into price. So this week we had GDP come out in the US. It was expected to be a little bit above 3%. It missed by half, which is an absolute disaster. So the growth that was expected has grown by half. We still have high inflation in the US. So this is not a good combination. This could maybe lead to stagflation. Now, that is true, but what is happening to price? Well, the market dropped and then started to get bought up heavily. So on Thursday, I got myself and our clients long in the market, held it until Friday, and made just a little under $10,000 on the trade. So the key point I want to emphasize to you guys is that always make sure you look at price. Have an opinion on the news, that's fine. Everyone can talk about that. But make sure you're watching price and seeing how the market is interpreting the news and take your actions from there. Hopefully this is useful to you, and I will catch you on the next video. Oh, just one last point. It is going to be the DAX first of the month on Wednesday. So again, if you've been on one of our webinars and watched how to trade that, it should be valid coming this week. So I perhaps will give you some updates on what's happening on that trade on Tuesday. But just to let you know that that trade is happening, one of our really high probability trades, a great trade to get a really great multiplier. If you don't know about the trade, you can certainly contact me at Cameron@magnetictrading.com. Again, hope you enjoyed and see you on the next one.